Hi, this is Jeff from the IT department, and I'm here with a WordPress video on how to use your media library within WordPress. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Now for this example, we've gone to the information technology page. This is an active page, so you'll notice there is no staging hyphen after because it's in production now. So it's a good example. Our media library is located over here. You can see if we hover over it, you can go to the library or we can add new content. Now the thing to notice with WordPress is your storage for each departmental site is only 100 megabytes for each, and right now the IT department's page is using 14.92 megabytes. We're using about 15% of our space. The reason being is because, let's just go ahead and go to the library and I'll show you what we have in it. We are using graphics, just some small pictures. We have them scaled down. I'll just go ahead and click in one of them. This is our Quinn Lab. So I'll just click at this one real quick. You notice the dimensions are fairly large. We can edit the image if you want. You can crop it in here, which is kind of cool. I haven't really played with it much, but feel free, if you upload an image, you can crop. I usually pre-crop it in Photoshop, but you don't need Photoshop to do that if you don't want. You can do it within WordPress. Just insert your image. But the cool thing about the media library, if you want to insert this into a particular page, and I've got another page over here open, so this is just a quick page I've made up. We're going to insert a picture right here. So we're going to come up here to the upload insert. You can upload it right now or you can insert it into the media library. It doesn't matter. So once you click on that button, you can insert it from your computer if you want to choose a file, and this is how you upload it into your media library. Big thing to note is every file cannot be larger than 8 megabytes. So if you have a PDF you want to upload or whatever that you want to pull from your WordPress page, you need to make sure it's not more than 8 megabytes in size. So we're going to use one of the existing pictures we've got in the media library. So I'll come over here and click over here, and let's just go ahead and select this Quinn overview. And you can see I've got 9 pages of things here. See, this is just the first 3, but let's just go ahead and take the first one up here. Let's click show, and it gives the title of the image. It shows the date it was updated. If you want to type in alternative text, you know, if let's just say this is the Quinn Lab. If you want your picture to link someplace, like if you want to click this and you want it to go to a particular place, by default it clicks to the original picture that's in WordPress. So if I leave this, if someone clicks on the picture, it'll just simply click it to a bigger picture. If you want to link it to, let's say, Google or something like that, make sure you put in the HTTP www.google.com, and just below this is the alignment. Now you can choose to align it with text. As you can see kind of over here, I'm going to insert it right here. So I do want it to match up with text, but if I don't want it next to any text, you can click none. You can put it in the center of text here, you can put it to the right, but let's just try it to the left. And the last option down here, you can choose the size of the image that you want. You can put in a thumbnail, which is 150 pixels by 150. We can do a medium picture, we can do a large. The full-size picture is too large for WordPress to handle. Generally, you don't want to go above 650 pixels in your width, otherwise your page is going to look screwy. Well, I'll show you. I'll insert this, insert it into the page. And see, all it does is just elongate it. So I'll publish it and let you look at it. And you can see that doesn't look like the Quinn Lab very much. So let's go in and edit it. Let's make it a smaller. So what you do, if you click on a photo, you can edit or you can delete it just by hovering over it. Let's go ahead and edit this picture. Now we want it in the left. Now, as you can see, it's set with the size, so nothing we can do to really edit it here. So let's cancel, and we're just going to delete this. Let's try this again. So put your cursor where you want the picture to go. Upload and insert. Let's go back to the media library. Let's go to that Quinn picture again. And this is the Quinn lab. Let's go ahead and make a link to Google. Again, just to give you an idea of what you can do with your pictures. But let's make this a thumbnail. So we want the alignment to be in the left, and let's make it a 150 by 150. It will crop your picture, so a lot of the detail in it won't show up. This is probably what will show up when we click it. But let's insert it into the post. And as you can see, all of my content is formed around the picture, and it's 150 by 150 pixels. So let's update this page and let's view it, see what it looks like. So as you can see, all my contents, there's toward the right, there's my picture. And as you can see, I move over it, it wants to go to google.com. So let's click on it, and there we are in Google. And it opened in the same page, so, but anyway, that's how you would get that to work. Now you can, as I said, with the media library, you can upload files. It doesn't have to be all graphics. You can upload PDFs, you can upload Word docs. And there's the pages down here, so let's just go to the next page, and you can see the majority of this is employee photos and various graphics. But you can upload a PDF, you can upload a Word doc, a Word Excel page, as long as it doesn't go over your 100 megabyte storage allotment for your department site. Now, another thing to kind of take note, and I'll show you what we've done. We knew we were going to have documents that would exceed that. I'll take you to our policy pages. And here we've got links for our policies. Right now they are pointing to our Google Docs account. And this simply, if you share it to open public. See, if I hover over the share button, anyone in public on the web can view this. They don't need to sign in. You can lock this down. Basically select anyone with an EOU address can open it, or specific people. There's really lots of things you can do with it, but this is a good alternative if you're going to go over the 100 megabyte storage for documents or forms or graphics or whatever. You can use Google Docs to kind of take care of that. And you see I have it open in a new window. So basically that's another alternative to the media library if you need to have more storage. So I'd like to thank you for watching this WordPress video. If you have any questions, please give us a call at the help desk. Our phone number is 541-962-3111, or you can reach us by email at helpdesk@eou.edu. Thanks for watching this WordPress video, and we hope to see you again real soon.